There are car shows with that little extra. You know what it is today?
Oh yeah.
Mustard and ketchup.
We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure.
We got the Weinermobile. Look, no, it's official. Across the front, the Weinermobile. We're going to get a tour too. And look at this up here. I love the hot dog in the dash. What does it say? Been wanting to see this thing ever since I was a kid, and to know you can actually go inside. It's going to be cool.
The Weinermobile's been around 83 years. They have a fleet of 6 that make up to 1,400 stops annually, talking about the past, present, and future of history's most famous hot dog.
It's always a good day when you can see the Weinermobile inside.
Come on in, get your buns in here.
Oh, this is awesome. Thank you. What's your name?
Of course, my name is Sauerkraut Kat. So I'm a hot dog with Oscar Mayer, and that means I get to pilot the Weinermobile. I have the honor.
All right. What did you just say?
We haul buns.
We haul buns.
We haul buns.
And look at this. It actually has seats you can sit in.
Are there a lot of you 12 buns?
Look at that.
So it's usually just me and one other person. My co-pilot had too much hot dog water, so he's in the bathroom right now. But yeah, just the 2 of us. We have 6 Weinermobiles, 12 hot doggers, so 2 per Weinermobile.
I had no idea there were 6 of them.
I know, right? Pretty crazy. We all cover a different part of the United States. So this one's name is R Dog, based on his license plate. We call him Odie.
Odie. Like, what is a hot dog on the dash?
That's our bun box.
The bun box?
Yeah.
What do you mean? What's a bun box?
Well, you know, like a regular glove box, you know, you'll throw in receipts and find them months later. We have the same thing, but it has to be shaped like a hot dog.
But you don't have to put mustard in it, right?
No,
Okay.
no, I do have some mustard packets in there, but that's my business, so.
Nobody's business but hers.
That's my business.
There's a step too.
Yes, we have steps. Actually, our engine, it's a Chevy V8 Vortec. It's right here.
Wow.
So it's in between the front seats. We sit on a front cab box chassis, which I've been told is just a regular box truck. And yeah, 6 seats with 12 buns. That's our bun roof. I was hanging out earlier. It's a bit of a beautiful day despite the clouds.
Bun roof, get it? Bun.
We call this shot bun. We don't have seat belts. We have meat belts.
So we can ride shotgun when we're in here, though.
Yes, when you're not when we're doing tours of the inside, just at events, but yeah.
You can ride shotgun. Get it? Shot.
And did you get the
It's
feeling?
hilarious. Come on. And look, as she said, it's always a blue sky day in the Weinermobile. That is cool.
Isn't it so frank and fun?
I wanted to do this ever since I was a kid.
I don't blame you. It's the best job in the world.
Ooh, back door. What's that for?
Oh, well, unfortunately, our legal team has stated we're not allowed to show anyone, but if you can keep a secret, I'll tell you it's a hot dog.
Are you serious?
In 1936, Carl Meyer, nephew of Oscar Mayer, tossed out the idea to build a 13-foot long mobile hot dog and cruise around the Chicago area handing out his German wieners. Yeah, people were a little weirded out at first, but the rest is history.
It opens like a starship or something.
Well, we call it a Lamborghini.
A lamb.
I'll be here all week.
It never ends.
Never ends.
It's a lap party. Sadly, Sauerkraut Kat's tour of duty is coming to an end. They want some what? Fresh meat.
It's a 1-year program. 12 kids get to do it each year. So starting in June, we're gonna have 12 new hot doggers. Pretty cool, right?
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
And that's a mustard stripe.
Oh,
right?
this is our ketchup and mustard runway, but we spilt it this morning, so watch your shoes.
So.
Watch your shoes. I'm sorry.
Well, I've been wanting to catch up all week, so.
And he's so good at it too.
It just never ends.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
You got a real hot dog husband on your hands.
I tell you what, you're the right person
I'm
for
a hot
him today.
dogger. Oh, she officially said it. I'm a hot
No,
dogger.
what? Tell me your name.
Jim.
Well, now it's Jumbo Dog Jim.
Jumbo Dog Jim.
You got names.
I've got a nickname.
Jumbo Dog Jim.
I always wanted a nickname, man. I never got one. I got a nickname now. You got to call me
Jumbo Dog.
Jumbo Dog Jim.
And what's your name, ma'am?
Vanessa.
Vanessa. Ooh. Vienna
Oh,
Vanessa.
exotic.
Vienna Vanessa.
Vienna Vanessa.
Oh, I like that. That was a good one. That's
Of course,
early.
Vienna has no candles to Oscar Mayer.
Perhaps you've heard of the weenie whistle. but unless you're over a certain age, you may not have actually ever seen one. According to Oscar Mayer, the Wiener whistle was created in 1951 and started appearing in packs of hot dogs a few years later, kind of like a prize you'd find in a cereal box. However, this vintage toy isn't as easily obtained today. There's only one place you can find it, aboard the Weinermobile.
It would be my honor to give you a weenie whistle.
We got a weenie whistle.
Okay, what's your name again?
Jumbo Dog Jim.
I'm Vienna Vanessa.
I know. It's such a special day.
Hey, it's been great. Thank you.
There it is in its glory, the Oscar Mayer Weinermobile. And we found out the back end back here has a secret to it. I think they're going to be exposing it. At least I hope so. And look, it's got the extra brake light. So this is a modern day Weinermobile.
We got our whistles. That's one of the last things you get when you go through the tour of the Weinermobile. So look at this.
I can't. I'm not making it work. It's got a skateboard. Maybe that's the problem. It's a wiener on a no. Leave me alone. You do it. Yeah. What? How are you doing it?
I don't know, but I don't think you ever knew how to blow a whistle. Here, let me show you. Let me show you. This side here.
Here we go, folks. Official how to blow the Weinermobile whistle. Let me try it again. Hang on.
Blow it really hard.
I broke it in for you. That's what it is. I broke it in.
He has no idea what he just did.
Look at this, 1936. They've got the whole timeline right here. You can see it. You can take a screenshot. I've got a lot of copyrighted music playing in the background, so I've got to keep talking. Stop it. I love these wipers. They kind of look like bug's eyes anyway with the windshields. And with these things on, it kind of looks like a praying mantis. But we know it's a Weinermobile.
So the reason why we're here, we were just looking through some things at home last night, and we thought, oh my gosh, the Weinermobile is going to be here for a derby. So what a great place for them to come. They've traveled probably about 10 to 12 hours to get here with two of them. The girl that was in the video, she's the driver, so, which is awesome. But yeah, they're going to be here all through our derby week, which is pretty cool. I have grown up seeing the Weinermobile here in Louisville. Oh.
Weinermobile! Just when you think it's going to be an ordinary day, the Weinermobile. It's awesome.
It comes into town.
All right, guys, it's a short video, but if you liked it, give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. Tell your friends about us, and we will see you next time. Remember, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp. So did you know that when you came out today, you're going to get a brand new nickname?
I didn't.
I didn't either.
But mine's pretty easy. Vienna Vanessa.
Yeah, I feel a lot more accomplished now being Jumbo Dog Jim.
Jumbo Dog Jim, I think.
I got to work on it. I'm not really sure what my nickname is. Get a nickname and I forget it. I'm not making it work. It's got a skateboard. Maybe that's the problem. It's a wiener on a no. Leave me alone.
I don't think he ever knew how to blow a whistle anyway.